welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the biggest Deloitte hiring. Deloitte is about to hire 50,000 freshers across India, and most of you watching this video right now are perfectly eligible. But here's what nobody is telling you. This is not just another mass hiring drive. This time, Deloitte is doing something completely different, and if you don't know about it, you will miss your shot entirely. Stay with me for the next 4 minutes. I am going to break down exactly how to get in this Deloitte hiring. There are 3 ways that you can get into this. So, what's exactly happening? Deloitte India is launching one of the biggest hiring drives ever. 50,000 freshers hire, and the entire focus is on exploring and improving the students on AI technologies, that is artificial intelligence upskillings. Their COO has publicly confirmed this. This is not just about filling seats, it's about building a future ready workforce. They have already trained the 30,000 employees in under the AI with the continuous investment in structure program. Now they want fresh mind to take this future. That's where you come in. Now let's see how can you get into this. Actually, there are 3 ways to get into this hiring. Number one is NLA, that is National Level Assessment, a broad aptitude and skill evaluation. Second is Deloitte OTN. OTN means Open Talent Network, a flexible platform for ongoing talent acquisition. Third is Careers Portal. This is the classic route. Apply, track your application, and follow up the status of your application. 3 doors you should be knocking on all 3. There are this is off-campus hiring and on-campus hiring is too. They will come to your college and they will organize the recruitment drives to hire the student. There are internship programs, university engagement will be conducted there. Anticipated roles and compensations, and there are 3 posts they are hiring for: analyst, trainee, associate analyst, risk and financial advisory. Analyst trainee is entry level position, associate analyst is intermediate role, and this is the specialized role. Okay, so what roles are actually on offer and what will you earn? This is a big thing. The main 3 main entry level roles are analyst, trainee, associate analyst, and roles in risk and financial advisory. What is the salary package? Remember, you will get 4 to 5 LPA package with a clear growth path. And remember, these roles are built around AI, so you are not just getting a job, you are getting upskilled by one of the world's top consulting firms. That's a career accelerator, not just a paycheck. Now, the NLA has 3 specific tracks: engineering track, undergraduate track, and undergraduate science track. So, whether you are a B.Tech student or a BCom graduate, there's track for you. But there's also a hidden gem most people don't talk about this. HashedIn by Deloitte. They are hiring interns for 6 months with a direct path to software engineer. Now let's see the eligibility criteria. Students from BE, B.Tech, MCA, ME, MTech, MSc from the computer science background with there should be no active backlog, and you must have 60% or 6 point CGPA to get into this program, and they are looking for the knowledge of Java, C, C++, Python, strong communications, eagerness to learn and adapt, database, web, FE or BE, either plus. And for the OTN, specifically the cyber technology track, Deloitte US India office is running 6-month residential bootcamp. This is for the B.Tech final year students in CSC, IT, cybersecurity, ECE, and elite branches. 60% CGPA, no standing backlogs are required for this. One important thing is if you have already applied to Deloitte in the last 6 months or already have an offer, you cannot apply again to the Deloitte. So if you are fresher and eligible right now, is your window open for applying to Deloitte. So to summarize, Deloitte is hiring 50,000 freshers. AI is at the center of it all, and you have three entry points right now: NLA, OTN and career portals. I will drop all the links in the description. Go apply today. If this video helped you, share it with one of friends who's job hunting. You might literally change someone's life. Like, subscribe and share this video to your friend. I will see you in the next video.